Yo, brothers, I'm tired of making the circle bigger, man. I wanna learn how to socky, man. You know, saki. And the Afrikaans people, they are really good with soaking. And you know, the first time I saw people soaking was at the Valentine's soaking. You know, we were in high school, we were dancing, having a good time, and the DJ changes the music to Baby Chocolates. And Dirk went onto the dance floor with his Macy brother. They were there busy dancing, brother. He looked so romantic, like something from Seven de Laan. But he dancing so fast, brother. But you think that's fast? That's nuts. The next thing you know, brother, Jan Paul Olivier, the 200-meter sprinting champion, sprints onto the dance floor with his Muy Caliente Macy. They be dancing so fast and turning and spinning and twirling. They look like a VW City Golf with a drop suspension tuned by Hassan, slutting donuts there on the dance floor, brother. Then you know the next thing, brother, Kurt Darren makes captain spanning the sail. Ooh, brother, Afrikaans people can jive. So please, man, Wimpy, Wilhelmine, Willem, teach me how to socky. Asseblief, man.